Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another episode of my Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera metal kit build. I'm gonna continue with the build and let's see what we got here. We got wheels, tires, steering wheel, the engine is ready, steering parts, bottom of the car, as well as this, the flat bottom as well. So let me start building the rest of the car. The first thing I want to do is to put the rims and tires together, so let's do that. Looking good. Alright, now when we have this one done, let me see what we can do with the bottom of the car. So we got this part that should go right here. Easy, we don't want to break it. Okay. And then it goes over here. Okay, we'll get this one here as well. Back on, and then over here what I'm gonna do is put the brake rotors in the rims. Okay. That's done. All right. Let's see how those are gonna work. Okay, one on, ready for the next one. Okay, this one's done as well. That's good. Let's move to the front. Some steering parts. Okay. We obviously need some tires here as well. Okay. Looking good. This one's done. Alright, so we got some wheels on. Let's see what else. How about the engine? Should go right here. The exhaust. And this one's kept coming off like that. Okay, let's fix that. Let's see. Are we good on the back of it? Can't really see much. Let me take it off for a second. I'm gonna do the back first. And then the front. Let's fix that once again. Okay guys, so I did fix the engine properly and attached it to the bottom of the car. I'm gonna continue in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you ain't gonna miss any of the videos for the build. And also, if you're looking to buy this amazing Lambo, I'll put a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good one.